XRP is forecast to edge down 1.6% by January 17, 30 rates shows. Let's start with what's unfolding on the chart today. Today, XRP is down by 2.1% and trades close to the $2.0653 mark. Here's what analysts are forecasting now. 30 rates thinks the asset may decline toward $2.0323 tomorrow, with a potential drop of 1.6%. XRP could edge lower to $2.0441, according to Traders Union, around 1% below now. CoinCodex points out the chance of reaching $2.061 lower, a projected loss of 0.2%. A different forecast from CoinPrice Forecast notes XRP could head upward to $2.07, about 0.2% above current levels. To finish, Gov Capital Collector points to $2.1366 by January 17, which is a 3.5% increase. This is the most rewarding forecast we found. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. We've seen the projections. Time to check the forecast metrics. Looking at the spread, prices could shift from a decrease of 1.6% to an increase of 3.5%. In short, Gov Capital Collector comes out ahead with 3.5% surge in value by January 17. Therefore, you could receive between $2 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability figures, CoinCodex comes first with an 89.9% chance of success. After reviewing all forecasts, I've created one combined consensus picture. All forecasts together place XRP steady around $2.0688. Let's get into the weeds a bit. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.2%. To put it another way, your capital could increase by 0.2% as well. If you applied 1,000 here, it could show around $2 in return, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 89.9%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. Further appreciation is projected by 30 rates. A bearish forecast is made by Traders Union, expecting losses. Additionally, CoinCodex emphasizes selling pressure dominating. CoinPrice Forecast expects XRP to hold its ground. The direction called out by Gov Capital Collector is toward higher levels. Together, analyst views suggest XRP is moving upward across the 3-day period. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that XRP is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Now we look at their accuracy. In the end, the day's last trade was around $2.0785. With the market moving this way, the majority of forecasts were correct. The top forecast on accuracy was given by CoinPrice Forecast. Time to set things straight. Yesterday's candle included 4 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but CoinPrice Forecast achieved the strongest gain at 2.7%. Let's switch to the summary table. It brings all results into one clear view. For context, Gov Capital Collector shows minus 3.2% ROI and $0.0817 accuracy. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between XRP and other cryptocurrencies. This time XRP isn't first, as Polygon posts 5.4% potential gain. For now, XRP is analyzed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The wider profitability comparison and analyst accuracy records will soon be added to my website and Telegram. Stay ahead of the crowd. Subscribe so you don't miss when the next asset starts climbing. Take care and see you in the next one.